I'm going to be showing you how to make jam tarts. You're going to need 200 grams of plain flour, and whatever flour that you use, you have to use half the amount of fat, so that would be 100 grams. Of the 100 grams, you're then going to divide that by 2. So to make it more healthier, I'm going to be using 50 grams of my vegetarian Trex and 50 grams of my vegetarian margarine to make my pastry. I'm then going to need a quantity of jam, so wipe your surfaces with a warm, soapy cloth, and then use an antibacterial spray to spray down your surfaces, ready for cooking. To start off with, you're going to sift your 200 grams of plain flour into your bowl. This will get rid of any lumps. And if there's anything in there that shouldn't be in there, you'll be able to see it at this stage. You're now going to be doing the rubbing in method. So coat your fat over with your flour, and you're going to use a little bit of margarine and Trex with a lot of flour, and basically you're doing the action money with your fingertips until it's gone into fine breadcrumbs. Top tip would be, if you tap the base of your bowl, any large lumps will come to the surface and you'll be able to see that in order to break it down. And also, if you lift your bowl up and look underneath, you'll be able to see if there's any flour that hasn't yet been mixed in. Okay, so back to the pastry. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water, cold water, and give it a stir until it starts to come to a dough. Tip your bowl slightly to help it out, and then add 1 more tablespoon just to help it bring together. Could take an extra tablespoon, however I think mine's already come together with 3 tablespoons of cold water, and this needs to go into the fridge, say half an hour, in order to have a little bit of relaxation time. Stage, once your pastry has been in the fridge for 30 minutes, you're going to dredge your surfaces with flour, place your pastry on there, dredge your pastry with flour as well so that it doesn't stick, and then you're going to roll gently, and the marble effect that you're seeing is actually the fat trapped within the flour. To make your pastry sweet, you would have added maybe a tablespoon of sugar to your water. So roll it one way, roll it the other, till you're about, I would say, a pound thickness coin. You could put your pound thickness coin around as you're rolling over the top of it. This would ensure equal thickness. And now flour dredge your surface for the last time. You need to look at the size of your tin against the size of your cutter. For example, I went for this one. It is smaller than the outside circle. I need it to be exactly the same size as the circle or a little bit bigger. This one is perfect. So place it down. Do not turn it because this will misshape it. Okay. I'm going to press it down hard. Take off your outside bits. And then you're going to place that into your tin. So we're using 2 fingers, just gently ease it into the tin. And then what you're going to do is you're going to be putting, let's say, approximately about 2 teaspoons of your jam. The reason why you're not putting any more than this is because your jam will turn to a liquid and it will come to boiling point. And what you don't want to do is for it to boil over and go over the outside of your actual tin. Okay, so it's quite important that it's allowed to boil but not overflow and go underneath, else you won't get it out of your tin. Okay, you star shape or something just to go on the top. This will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes.